Hello, everyone. I've been a long-time lurker here, and first off would like to say thank you all for being so positive and informative to new and experienced riders alike. So I got into my first accident last Tuesday. Resulted in some decent injuries, mostly a decent road rash on my shoulder and a few other scrapes. I'm mostly healed now, and for those wondering, I went with moist healing with antibiotic creams and minimal alcohol usage. To clean, I just took showers and used gentle soap with a wash rag to help clean a bit. It hurts like hell, but DEF helped the process in healing and wasn't as aggressive as alcohol or peroxide. Now, I'm posting mostly because I'm curious what the internet thinks I messed up here. Gear is a huge point. I'm buying a jacket and hip pads today, maybe boots if it's not too expensive. Learned my lesson there, LMAO. I can say from memory I panic braked once I realized I was cooking into the corner a bit too hard. And remember there being a small dirt patch from a dirt road that lead off the main road. I also think I just rode outside of my actual skill level and got burned for it. Simply put, I think this is user error, but would like to know more and how to avoid it. Aside from that, the bike is mostly okay. Bent handlebars and brake pedal, broken turn signals and scratches on the crankcase and fairings, but still drivable. The fellow that helped me after and patched me up to get home also let me know the wear on my back tire was probably hindering my turning ability a bit. Pretty bad chicken strips LMAO I bought it used. And the front tire was pretty good in overall wear, but still a little low. So I'll be getting new tires soon as well. If you all would like, I can post pictures of the bike later. Anyways, I'm all good. I survived, if a little smarter and more risk-averse than before. I wish you all safe riding, awesome turns, and may all your gear work perfectly to get you home and out to ride another day.
Well. Oh. 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 Yeah.